This video investigates why you cannot sign out of your Apple ID and how to fix the problem. Here are some causes of this problem. 1. Enabled screen time feature. 2. A mobile device management application. 3. Outdated iOS. 4. Poor internet connection. Fix 1. Use a professional tool. Here is how to fix the can't log out of Apple ID problem using the iOS Unlock application. Step 1. Download, install, and launch the program on your computer. After that, link your iOS device to the computer using a working lighting cable. Step 2. Select the Screen Unlock option from the toolbox and choose the iOS option because you are fixing an iOS device. Select the Remove Apple ID option from the window that appears to initiate the process. Step 3. After completing the aforementioned operations, your iPhone will successfully connect to the program. At this point, a warning window will appear, notifying you that removing the Apple ID will result in the erasure of all your data. Therefore, we strongly recommend backing up your iPhone data before proceeding to the next step. Step 4. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to reset all your iPhone settings as per the guide. Once completed, reboot your iPhone, and the unlocking process will commence automatically. Step 5. After completing all the aforementioned operations, the iOS Unlock will automatically initiate the Apple ID unlocking process. The interface will display a progress bar indicating the remaining time. Please be patient during this process. After the Apple ID unlocking process is finished, you can verify if the removal was successful on your iPhone. In the event of failure, you can make another attempt. Fix 2. Disable screen time. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to Screen Time and tap on it. Tap on the Turn Off Screen Time button at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Key in the 4-digit screen time passcode in the space provided. If you can't remember your passcode, go back to the Screen Time main page and change it. Step 3. Tap on the Turn Off Screen Time button. Fix 3. Enable account changes. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Navigate to Screen Time underneath the Focus menu, and tap on it. Tap on the Content and Privacy Restrictions button and key in the Screen Time passcode from the screen interface that will appear. Step 2. Navigate to Account Changes and tap on it. From the Account Changes options, tap on the Allow button. Fix 4. Remove the MDM. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to General Options, and tap the Profiles button. Step 2. Navigate to Device Management, then MDM Profile, and tap the Remove Management button to remove the MDM management. Fix 5. Factory Restore Device. Step 1. Launch the Settings application. Find the General button and tap on it. Step 2. Find the Reset button and tap on it. Step 3. Tap the Erase All Content and Settings button to erase all the iPhone data. Step 4. Key in your password from a window that will appear, and tap on the Erase iPhone button to initialize the process. Wait for a moment for the process to complete. Once this is complete, your device will be off Apple ID. Fix 6. Restart the device. Fix 7. Reset network settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app and navigate to General Options. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfer or Reset iPhone options. Find the Reset Network Settings and tap on it to reset the network settings to default. Fix 8. Update the iPhone. Step 1. Open your Settings application and navigate to General Options. Step 2. Move to Software Update and tap the Download and Install button. Wait until the update is complete and log out of your Apple ID.